pepper lamb ribs noodles casserole, or black pepper mutton ribs noodles casserole, or black pepper lamb ribs noodles bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes, and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes, and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes, and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes, and one of the most unique of the mutton recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the lamb ribs recipes, and one of the most unique of the noodles recipes, and one of the most delicious of the street food recipes. Today we are going to make black pepper mutton ribs potato noodles casserole. We have taken around 400 grams of mutton ribs, cleaned thoroughly in turmeric water. The next ingredients are 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 15 to 20 shallots, 15 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 100 grams of peeled and cut potato pieces. Pan and pour in 10 ml oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Saute thoroughly. Put in the salt. Salt. salting. Put in the ginger, salt, put in the tomato pieces, salt tomato pieces, probably salt nuts, salt to taste, caramel salt, mutton, then a quarter spoon of coriander powder, and a spoon of black pepper powder, salt and mix thoroughly. Put in the mutton ribs, thoroughly mixing the mutton ribs with the rest of the mixture. put in the potato pieces. Mix the potato pieces thoroughly. The rest of the mixture. Around 200 to 300 ml of water. Mix. Close and cook for around 90 minutes in high heat. While hours of cooking, put in the 100 grams of Maggi noodles and let the mixture boil. So now break the noodles and let it cook for 5 minutes. In the boiling mixture. Now put in some curry leaves. Now the black pepper mutton ribs noodles casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper lamb ribs noodles casserole or black pepper lamb ribs noodles bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the mutton recipes and one of the most unique of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the lamb recipes and one of the most different of the noodles recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the street food recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.